Hello everyone. Today we are going to study multiplying algebraic expression. Let's say that we have a, the term a, and then between two brackets b plus c. So now we are multiplying a term. This is a term, and this is expression. So if we are multiplying a term by expression, then we have to multiply a by these two terms. So the solution is a times b plus a times c. Now this is the first rule, and it is applicable if we have a term multiplied by expression. Let's solve this exercise. Let's say that we have 2x squared y. This is all multiplied by 3x minus y. Okay, now, so we have to multiply this term by this expression. So as we said, we have to multiply 2x squared y by 3x and then by y. So 2x squared y between brackets multiplied by 3x, and then this has a positive sign, so positive sign times negative is negative sign. 2x squared y times y. Now let's simplify more. Now 2 times 3 is 6. X squared times x is x to the power of 3. Y, we don't have any term to multiply y with, so we will write it as it is, and then minus 2 x squared, and y times y is y squared. Now this is the final result. We have 6 cubed y minus 2x squared y squared. Okay guys, now on this exercise we multiplied this term by this expression. Now let's say that we have two expressions to multiply. So let's say that we have a plus b. So let's say that we have this expression and we have to multiply it by c plus d. So the rule is we have to multiply the first term of this expression by these two, and then the second term by these two also. So the answer is equal to a times c is ac, and then positive a and positive d, so the sign is positive. A times d is ad. Then we have positive b times positive c, so plus bc, and then plus bd. Now let's do this example, and the question is find the product of 4a minus 3 between two brackets, and this is multiplied by 3a squared plus 5. Now the first step we have to do is to multiply 4a by 3a squared, and then 4a by 5, and then 3a, negative 3a by 3a squared, and then negative 3a by 5. Let's start now. So we have 4a times 3a times 3a squared, and then plus and plus is plus, then 4a times 5. And then negative and positive would be negative 3 times 3a squared. And finally, negative 3 times negative 5. It is negative 3 times 5. Now let's simplify more. So 4 times 3 is 12. A times a squared is a cubed. Plus 4 times 5 is 20. 20. A minus 3 times 3 is 9. A squared. And minus 3 times 5 is 15. Okay guys, now let's continue with something called special binomial product. And for this topic we have 3 main rules. Now the first one, if we have the expression in this form, a plus b square, then we can expand this expression by using this rule. A square plus 2 times a times b, and then plus b square. This is the first rule. Now let's do an example about the first rule. Let's say that we have x plus 2 all raised to the power of 2. Now we know that a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. Okay, now we will use this rule to expand this expression, and instead of each a we should put x, and instead of each b we should place 2. So a square means x square plus 2 times a, which is x, times b, which is 2, and then plus b square, that means 2 to the power of 2. Okay, now this one is equal to x square, and then we have to multiply 2 by 2 equal to 4x, and then a plus 2 to the power of 2 is 4. That's all. Okay, now if we have an expression in this form, a minus b square, then we can expand by using this rule, a square and then minus 2 times a times b, and then plus b square. Let's do an exercise about this. So let's say that we have 2x minus 3 square. Okay, now a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3. Now let's use this rule to find the answer, and instead of each a we should put 2x, and instead of each b we should put 3. So 2x square minus 2 times a, which is 2x, times b, 3, and then plus b square. Now b is 3 square. This one is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 x square minus 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12 x plus 3 times 3 is 9. That's all about rule number 2. Okay, now let's get to rule number 3, and it is the easiest one. If if we have an expression in this form, a minus b multiplied by a plus b, then the rule is a square minus b square. That's all. Let's take an example about it. So example, so let's say that we have 2x minus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 4. So this one is equal to, we know that a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 4. So instead of a, we should place 2x, so 2x square, and instead of b, we should put 4 minus 4 square. Now the final answer is 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and x to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 is 16. Okay guys, thank you for watching and have a nice day.